you must have multiplied many times, but let's see today how Japanese multiply. In traditional way, we used to multiply with, let's say, with one number, then with second number, and then with third number, and then we used to add, and after that we used to get the answer. But if you give this multiplication number to a Japanese, then the person will actually draw some lines like this, and then he will draw some intersecting lines, and then he'll count the intersection points, and then he'll say like this is the number and this is the answer you're looking for. Extremely simple technique. Let's see how Japanese are able to get the answer just by drawing these lines. For example, we have 21 and 23. We'll draw two lines for 2 and one line for 1, that makes as 21, and then we'll draw two lines and three lines intersecting. So just by counting these intersection points, we'll be able to find out the answer. So the unit digit will be 3 and the leftmost digit will be 4, and let's see what comes in between. So 6 plus 2, that is 8. So answer very simply we can find out is 483. Isn't it so simple? Let's target another example, that's 12 multiplied by 32. So in same way we'll draw one line and then we'll give some space and then we'll draw two lines. That makes as 1, 2, that is 12. And now for 3, 2 we'll draw intersecting lines. So these lines would be like 3 lines here. With some space, we'll draw 2 more lines. So that will make it as 32. And in similar way, we'll be counting the intersection points. So where these lines are cutting each other, so those are the intersection points, and we'll be counting those intersection points. Let's mark all those points first. So now the extreme right, that is the unit digit, is 4. And if we add the middle dots, then 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, and the leftmost number is 3. So 384 is the answer. Extremely simple technique. Let's see another number. That's 24 and 32. If we multiply these numbers, then for 24 we'll draw lines like 2. With some space we'll draw 4 lines, so it will make it as 24. And for 32 we'll draw 3 lines which are intersecting with the earlier lines, and then with some space we'll draw 2 lines. These are again intersecting with the earlier lines. And in same way we'll count the number of intersection points. And right now we are marking those all points. So we have got all the intersection points. Let's mark all those points and see what happens. So extreme right will give us the unit number, that is 8. In between we'll add 12 plus 4, that is 16. For 16 we'll write 6 and the carry will go to the leftmost number, and the leftmost number is 6 plus 1, that becomes 7, and the answer is 768. This is pretty simple, folks. Let's see how it works for 3-digit numbers. So just to let you know, it definitely works for any digit number. So this will perfectly work for 3-digit numbers. So for 2, 1, 3 we have drawn lines as 2, 1 and 3 with some space in between, and for 1 to 1 we have drawn intersection lines as 1, 2 and 3, and now we are counting the dots. So dots are the intersection points. So we need to count those intersection points and then we'll be able to find out the answer. So these 3 dots will give us the unit digit, and then next is 6 plus 1, that is 7, and then 3 plus 2 is again 7, and 4 plus 1 is 5, and the extreme left number is 2. So this is simply the answer. So 25773. So it is an extremely simple technique, believe me friends. So let's see on the 4-digit numbers. So on 4-digit numbers we have already created that matrix, and now we are marking the dots. So dots have been marked, and now let's see the extreme right dots or the intersection point will give us the unit digit number, and so on and so forth. We will be moving one number to the left just by adding the dots. So we have got 5, 6, and we'll continue adding these. So wherever we'll get a carry, then we'll transfer that carry to the next number. So here we got 11. So 11 we will write 1 and we'll transfer that carry to 8. 8 plus 1 is 9, and then 6 and 4. So answer would be 4691652. So it is very simple technique, believe me guys. And now here are these numbers, and this is a time for you to exercise. So just try this technique, and in comment section write down how many seconds you took for multiplying these numbers on the screen. Friends, isn't it simple? Share it with your near and dear ones and subscribe this channel for similar videos.